We've uncovered the ultimate student oasis in Bradford, and you don't want to miss out on this gem. Horton House is your go-to destination for affordable and comfortable accommodation. Choose from a variety of ensuite rooms and studios, all featuring a cozy bed, plenty of storage, a sleek study desk, and lightning-fast internet. But wait, there's more. Horton House also has a range of communal spaces where you can chill with your mates. Get ready for movie nights in the cinema room, battles in the game room, and lazy Sundays in the common lounge with a TV. And if you're feeling extra motivated, check out the Accommodation's state-of-the-art gym for a killer workout sesh. Located only 10 minutes away from the University of Bradford and Bradford College, Horton House has plenty of shops and leisure hubs around. Need a break from studying? Catch a show at the Alhambra Theater or check out the National Science and Media Museum on Little Horton Lane. Or, if you're in the mood for some weekend shenanigans, hit up the packed pubs like Sunbridgewells and the Sparrow. Your perfect Bradford pad is waiting for you at Horton House. Head over to amberstudent.com to book now.